Now, let's learn about bond formation. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to describe the formations of the following bonds using Lewis dot symbol: ionic bond, covalent bond, and dative bond. Ionic bond. Ionic bond is the electrostatic force of attraction between positive ion and negative ion in an ionic compound. Ionic bond, also known as electrovalent bond. How do ionic bonds form? Ionic bonds form by transferring of electron from metals to nonmetals. Total number of electron lost by metal atoms is equals to total number of electron gained by the nonmetal atoms. This table shows a few of substances that form by ionic bonding. Now let me explain more about the formations of ionic bond. Use Lewis symbols to describe the formations of sodium oxide. Each sodium atom loses an electron, forming sodium ion, while oxygen atom gains 2 electrons, forming oxide ion. Electrostatic attraction between sodium ion and oxide ion, forming ionic bond. Formula of the compound form is Na2O. Covalent bond. Covalent bond is a chemical bond that involves the sharing of electron pairs between non-metal atoms. The atoms share valence electrons in order to get a full octet or duplet for hydrogen. Let me explain more about the formations of covalent bond. Formations of hydrogen molecule. These two hydrogen atoms have one valence electron. To get duplet, they share the valence electrons. The shared electrons are counted as owned by the both hydrogen. That means both of them are happy because both are duplets. We normally draw hydrogen molecule like this, with a single line to represent the shared electron, and the line is called as single bond. Formations of oxygen molecule. These two oxygen atoms have 6 valence electrons. To get a full octet, both oxygens share their 2 unpaired electrons. The shared electrons are counted as owned by both oxygen. That means both of them are happy because both are octets. We normally draw oxygen molecule like this, with 2 lines to represent the shared electrons, and the line is called as double bond. Formations of nitrogen molecule. These two nitrogen atoms have 5 valence electrons. To get octet, both nitrogen share their 3 unpaired electrons. The shared electrons are counted as owned by both nitrogen. That means both of them are happy because both are octets. We normally draw nitrogen molecule like this, with 3 lines to represent the shared electrons, and the line is called as triple bond. Dative bond. Dative bond is a covalent bond in which the shared pair of electrons is contributed by only one of the bonded atoms. Dative bond, also called as a coordinate bond. Let me explain more about the formations of dative bond. Ammonium ions are formed by the transfer of a hydrogen ion to the lone pair electrons on the ammonia molecule. Hydrogen ion is an acceptor because it has empty 1s orbital. Nitrogen is a donor atom because it has a lone pair electron. Hydrogen ion accept an electron pair from nitrogen to form dative bond. Aluminum chloride sublimes at about 180 degrees Celsius. This indicates that it is a covalent compound. Aluminum trichloride adopts three different structures depending on the temperature and the state: solid, liquid, and vapor. In liquid and vapor state, aluminum trichloride acts as the dimer Al2Cl6. Two molecules of AlCl3 join together. In the Al2Cl6 dimer, two molecules of AlCl3 are linked together through two dative bonds.